Now we look at this problem. The slip of 400 volt 3-phase 4-pole induction motor when rotating at 40 rpm is option A 2%, option B 3%, option C 4%, option D is 5%. ठीक है. Again this problem belongs to the working of which motor? Working of a induction motor. Working of a 3-phase induction motor, na? 3-phase induction motor. And this 3-phase induction motor has supplied from 400 volt source, right? And this is basically a 4-pole machine, means we have a 4-pole induction motor when rotating at 1440 rpm. So also in this question we have given the speed of which parameter? Is given the speed of rotor. Okay, this is what? This is the speed of the rotor is given this question. So we need to find the value of slip. Okay, so we need to find the value of slip. So we have given a 400 volt. Basically we have a 3-phase induction motor. It is a 4-pole machine and we have a rotating speed which is of rotor is given nr is 1440 rpm is what? 1440 rpm. So we need to find the value of slip. We need to find the value of slip. So this problem basically belongs to the working of 3-phase induction motor. So on the basis of working, we know that we can relate this slip. Slip is what? Slip is the difference of the speed. Difference of the speed of the RMF to the speed of the rotor, right? So we need to find the slip. So we can say slip we can define as this given as the ns minus nr by ns. Okay, so we need to find in percentage. Okay, so ns we need to find here. So ns we can find, we know ns equation is 120 f by P, and it's given the 120 f is how much? F is 50 hertz. F is not mentioned in this question. The slip of 400 volt 3-phase 4-pole induction motor when rotating at 1440 rpm is there. So frequency has to be there, but if in a case the frequency is not mentioned here in this question, so we'll consider the frequency is what? Which is the 50 hertz. Frequency is what? 50 hertz, right? So 120 into 50 upon, this is given the 4-pole machine, na? So speed will be how much? This is given the 1500 rpm. This is what? 1500 rpm is the RMF speed. So here we'll put the value. So this is given the 1500 minus, this is given the 1440 divided by this is 1500, right? So here if we'll solve this one, so we'll say this is how much? This is the 60 divided by 1500. This is divided by 1500, right? Okay, so when further we'll solve this problem, so percentage, so here percentage, na? So we can take this multiply what? Multiply by what? 100, multiply by what? 100. So this will be cancel out. So we can say this is the 4%. Okay, so 4% will be the answer of this particular problem. So we can say the 4% will be the slip if in a case when the induction motor rotating at 1440 rpm while the speed of the RMF is 1500 rpm. Now the next problem. A 4-pole 3-phase induction motor runs at 1440 rpm on a 50 Hz supply. Find the slip speed Option A 1440 RPM, option B is 1500 RPM, option C 3000 RPM, and option D is 60 RPM. So here we are given a 3-phase induction motor runs at 1440 RPM. It's running at 1440 RPM, a 4-pole machine on a 50 Hz supply. On a 50 Hz supply, find the slip speed. This is very important term in this question. Slip speed we need to find here, right? In this question is not asking about to find the value of slip. It is asking about the slip speed. Okay, so in this question the parameters we have given, number of poles is given 4. It is basically a 3-phase induction motor, and we have given this 1440 RPM is what speed? This 1440 RPM is the speed of rotor. So we'll say this is given the NR, which is 1440 RPM on 50 Hz supply. So we are given the supply frequency, which is 50 Hz. Find the slip speed. We need to find the slip speed. We need to find the slip speed, right? So as per, again I will say that this problem belongs to the working of 3-phase induction motor. So as the working of 3-phase induction motor I explained you in the class, so from there I can directly conclude the main point. The slip speed here we can find, which is given as the NS minus NR. Slip speed is nothing but the differences of the speed of the RMF to the difference to the rotor speed. Okay, so as in this question we know the value of rotor speed, which is given as 1440 RPM. So we can find the value of slip speed. So for that we need to find the value of synchronous speed, which is given NS. So NS we can find as 120 F by P. It is given 120. F is given what? 50, and this P is given what? Number of poles is 4. Again this will come around, this will come to 1500 RPM. So the synchronous speed is 1500 RPM here. Okay, so here we need to find the slip speed. So we can say this is given the 1500 minus this is given the 1440. So this will come around, so this will comes to 60 RPM. Okay, so slip speed we can say it's coming the 60 RPM. So option C, option D will be the 60 RPM here. So we can say the slip speed for this particular case, when the rotor is rotating at the speed of 1440 RPM and having the speed of RMF is about 15 RPM, so slip speed will be 60 RPM.